So I was talking to my dad about personality type, and he wanted to know what are some qualities that make up an INFP. And we are processes, right? The emergent of those processes are the natural traits that people attribute to the personality type. We're empathetic, we're feelers, we tend to slowly process through things. It takes a bit longer to make a decision sometimes and to talk through that decision because we're kinesthetically sifting through the different intentions and feelings. We want people to be who they are, to not step on anybody's toes, but just to live the life that they want to live, some authentic life to them. We're dreamers, we're imaginative, we're heads in the clouds type people, and we have this lost soul type feel to us as well. We like our comfort zone. We like doing the physical comforts, eating the same types of foods, usually going to the same types of places. And we really struggle with the 9 to 5, living templatized lives and showing up to make decisions and check things off lists, and accomplishments don't really motivate us. We want to just live a life that is aligned with who we are. So those are some of the things that I feel represent myself as an INFP, and I want to know down below in the comments what resonates with you as well. See ya.